All right, just need to get this last seat out.
Yeah.
Looking good in here, almost ready. Just the final clear coat now.
All right, tail lights off. This interior is coming along. Ready for final coat. All right, looking much better now. And a ton. All right, mechanical repairs checked off. Now onto the interior swap.
Looking good.
Wiring harness disconnected, looking good. Clear. All right, time for the new muffler. Dashboard's out, moving to the floor. Perfect, the red really pops. All right, suspension's in, time for the interior. Ooh, looking good, finally got it painted. All right, engine's done, looking good in here, almost finished. Perfect. Now, for the final touch. Absolutely stunning. The readings on this solenoid are a little low. I'm gonna try prying this connector loose to replace it. All right, mechanicals are done. Interior's ready. Final paint looks perfect. All right, emblem is on. Now for the seat. Almost done. Perfect, the final look. All right, fluid's good. Now let's swap this interior out. Finally, it's done. Look at that paint. All right, inflating the tire first. Now for the steering wheel swap. Finally, applying the new paint.